United Airlines is known as one of the best carriers at the airport. Watch as one airport client disrespects United Airlines' good name at the airport. On January 28, 2026, the Lee County Port Authority Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that airport passenger.
Yeah, just put them all in the bag. Or leave one out there and put a couple in. So my 2 bags are.
You guys call?
Hi,
What's going on?
I'm trying to get on my flight that I spent $400 to try to rebook.
Okay, what's the problem?
And I'm being crossed out because I can't get on my
Okay, let's keep it down a little bit.
Yeah, this is what we've been presented with, and before I came out, I'm a supervisor and I was called out, was told that she was using choice words, speaking with co-passengers that were checking in. I do feel like there may be an influence of some type. I asked her if she's had any drinks. She said just mints. So
903 is out on United. Okay. Do you have ID on you?
Yes, I have ID.
What's your
And
ID?
I'm trying to get on my flight that I spent $400 to rebook.
All right.
Something that hasn't touched their wallet in a minute.
Okay. All right. You realize just talking nice to people will get you through a lot quicker?
Yeah, I don't give a fuck.
Okay, well then you might not get through. How about that?
Yeah, see, that's how America works, really?
Yeah, that's how it works.
That's how it works?
Yeah, because
That shouldn't be fair. That's not fair. That's not just.
How much have you had to drink today?
That's not just.
How much have you had to drink today?
Do you know what the word just means?
How much have you had to drink today?
0. Nothing.
That is not true.
All right, do you want to breathalyze me?
No, I don't want to do anything. But they have the right to refuse your service too.
I know, because it's not just.
Well, it's just. It's warranted.
I don't think that's just or warranted.
I'm not asking you.
Yeah, you're not asking
I'm not
me.
asking you.
You're not asking me.
I am not asking
I
you.
spent $400. Have you?
I'm
when
not
was the last
asking
time you
you.
touched $400?
What does that have to do with anything? 903 Central. Can you run a name and date of birth? Where are you from? Chicago?
I'm from Chicago.
It's going to be out of Illinois. Hey.
No, this is Fort Myers. I don't give a fuck.
First name is
What are you gonna arrest me for being loud?
Affirmative. And the middle initial is going to be Charlie.
These
Claire.
people deserve to be speaking loud too. What are these old white people?
Man, come over here. They got to get through.
I know. What? They're entitled as fuck. I deserve this. I deserve that. I deserve that. A state 40.
Hey, Ella.
Remember 9/11?
Ella.
I deserve nobody to just do anything to me. These people are all entitled.
You want to go home?
No.
You don't want to? You want to stay
I'm
here?
going to Philadelphia.
You want to go to Philadelphia?
Yeah, that's my flight.
Okay, do you want to go?
Yes.
You sure you want to go?
I'm positive.
You're not acting like you want to go. Are you going to allow her to fly?
Tomorrow.
All right, tomorrow.
I have no place to stay, and they closed the airport.
Okay, we can get
So
you
do you want
somewhere.
to sleep? Do you want me to sleep on the outside of the airport?
We can get you somewhere.
Where, like a homeless shelter?
Anywhere you want to go.
Oh, I'll go anywhere.
You'll go anywhere.
Philadelphia.
All right, just hold on a second.
Not anywhere, you know what I mean.
Okay,
You know what I mean.
okay. This is Ella. She's getting rebooked. This is Ella.
Hi, Ella.
She had a
I'm
little too
officer
much.
Shriver.
She had a little.
I didn't have anything to drink.
had a
Sorry, my
little too much
picture
to
looks
drink.
disheveled.
It's okay.
I'm trying to get on my
She's gonna
flight.
need
They
a
were giving me
place to
lip
stay.
because I didn't have the funds to pay for my baggage, and then I got the funds, and now they're being assholes to me.
Okay.
Good.
Did they rebook you for a later flight yet?
No.
Okay.
They're telling me I can get on my 2 p.m. flight.
So that's a decision that they can make, okay? Because the
That's not-
airlines, just let me explain, okay? The airline's responsible for everyone's safety, your safety, all the other passengers
That's
on
why
board.
I'm booking my bag, dude.
Okay, but they can deny anybody boarding at any time for any
And you
reason.
don't have anything to say against that?
I can't control that. Okay, they're a private company, they're a private business. I'm
How's
just
that
here to
fair?
maintain the peace. Whether or not it's fair or not is not a determination I can make.
I don't think we're gonna go.
You can stay here. They're going to rebook you for a later flight.
They won't let me stay overnight. I tried. I had my flight booked yesterday, and then it was.
We will let you stay overnight. You just can't stay inside the concourse overnight. You can
What do I
stay in
sleep outside?
You can stay in the terminal, in the public area in the terminal, okay? But you won't be able to remain inside the secure area, okay? But let them rebook you so you can get out of here. I know.
Please, just let me go today.
That's not a determination I can make. That's a decision that United Airlines makes. Here's your passport.
I'm just trying to leave.
I understand that.
And I'm gonna cause less problems if I leave.
I don't want you to cause any problem.
I know, but I will cause less problems if I leave.
That's not something I can decide. You're flying with United, they're rebooking you.
I will cause less problems if I leave. Then what, do you want to
At this
rebook me
point,
so I can stay around for longer? You like my presence that much?
You're not going to stay right here.
No, but
We
you
will
like my
rebook
presence
you.
that much.
I like your presence, but I
Okay,
think
so-
that you could be a very nice person if you choose to be.
so
I don't like your presence the way you're acting right now.
I'm going to be like this.
You're not
going to
be like that.
Time.
No, you won't. You know what? Because we have the privilege of having our airport police here. They're not going to let you stand here
because I'm being
and
an
act like
asshole.
this.
Because I'm being an asshole. Is that
You're
a
making
law?
a decision.
Is that a law?
You're choosing to act like this.
Anti-asshole law?
I'm not
Listen.
here to quote the law.
What's
but
the
I can-
law? What's the law? Anti-asshole law?
This is their leased space. They're a business operating. They do not have to serve
I'm just
you.
being smart with them. I'm being smart
I
with them.
understand
They
that,
don't like
but
that.
if you want, I know, but you want to get to Philadelphia, correct?
Yes, and I'm not
So
allowed to be smart
listen,
with them.
listen to me. Do you think that
How is that a
being-
law? Because they're dumb.
I
and
didn't
I'm
say it was a
smart?
law. What I'm saying is that if you're trying to get something, do you think it's a good idea to
Because
be
people are
rude to them?
People are too easy. People are too easy. Like these
So do
people
you
are
want
too
them to
easy.
rebook you or not?
Yes.
Okay.
No, I want to get on my original flight.
They're not
to be
going to let
honest.
you get on your original
Well, then I'm
flight.
gonna get on a fucking Amtrak.
You have the option to take a different mode of transportation, or
I
you can.
I want my money refunded for that.
Okay.
I want it refunded.
That's something that United has to take care of.
You
Okay.
refund it. And
For
then,
$400.
yeah, we'll
400.
refund everything. It'll go back to your original form of payment.
I know. Yeah.
Okay. But then we're not rebooking you on anything. You're going to be responsible for finding your own travel.
Do the $400.
I will cancel your reservation if that's what you're asking me to
Can
do.
you refund the $400?
Your refund, whatever's in there, will go back to your original form of
Thank
payment.
you.
Okay, and then you're done with United.
All right, I'm not flying United anymore.
Okay,
Fuck
no
United.
problem.
I fly Southwest.
Okay.
Here's your passport back. Okay.
Yeah,
Don't
you
lose
guys
that.
were no help at all.
It's all electronically taken care of.
I don't believe you. I want to see the receipt.
Okay.
Can I get a receipt, please? I'm like this because of them. First of all, this is
gonna
a
go get it for
bullshit
us.
flight system.
I understand, but we want you to get to where you're going. Okay.
I know. I want to get to where I'm going too. I really do. And I would fly United if that's like all it is. Like,
Well, they're working on getting your receipt for your refund, and then I would
I
just
spent
you can try.
$400.
I know. We have some other airlines that fly to Philly. You got Frontier. I don't know if Southwest flies direct from
I
here
know.
to
I
Philly.
only
They
fly
don't.
Southwest because I have the points and I have the credit card.
So try with them and see if they can book you somewhere.
No, Southwest only leaves like once a day.
So we can see what
They're mad. They're
else
broke.
is available.
Jesus Christ.
They're trying to help you, all
No,
right?
they're not.
I don't know what all goes behind that. I just know that they're allowed to rebook or deny boarding whenever. So
You look like a dickhead. You look like you have soft strokes. You don't pleasure your wife at all. You look like a dickhead. You look like you have soft strokes. You don't pleasure your wife at all. I bet you don't even have. Oh no, you got the rubber band. What? You're military? This is the face of a man that cannot pleasure his wife. Sorry, gotta say it.
I would rather
want
you
me to
not.
leave. You want me to leave.
You having a ticket to fly out has nothing to do with us.
Then
But
what are
if you
doing
cause,
here? What are you doing?
because you were causing a disturbance at the ticket counter,
I
you were
know,
yelling
I'm-
and shouting.
'cause they
So
were-
we're just here to
they
make
were,
sure
like,
everyone's
being
okay.
assholes to me
I understand
in the
that,
first
but
place.
I understand that that's how you feel. But we have to make sure everyone stays safe. What I'm telling you is
How am
that
I
if
gonna
you
cause an issue?
is that
Well, I gotta
if
shoot up the place.
please don't go there.
What am I gonna do that?
What I'm saying is that if you cause more...
I'm telling you.
Who are these guys? Can I talk to one of them?
I don't think that they would honestly want to talk to you. You haven't been the nicest to anybody that you've talked to.
Oh, so it's up to their managers.
Well, I'm their supervisor, so
You don't look like you're their supervisor.
I am their supervisor, yeah.
Why aren't you wearing a suit, ma'am?
Because I'm not required to wear a suit, ma'am. There you go. It shows on the bottom that you're required to wear a suit.
This is a piece of paper. I'm gonna receipt.
That is a receipt.
What is this? What is this?
It's your printed copy from the computer.
This is a piece of paper that says refund on it.
Okay.
This is a piece
And
of
your
paper.
name, your ticket has been refunded. We're
This is
finished.
not refunded.
We're
This is a
finished.
piece of paper that just says refund on it.
All right, that's what they have to offer you.
Right.
Yep, requested. It's a freebie.
This is not a refund. I want to see it to Jennifer's hysterics. That's
Well,
what
nothing will print like that. I can't even tell you your credit card number. All that is masked. It is not something that's available to us. It's personal information. We don't have that. I can't tell you what credit card you use, whose credit card you're using.
Then what are you
That
good
is-
for?
Apparently for you, I'm not good for much,
Yeah, you're not.
which is fine.
I want my normal.
That's what you're getting. We're finished.
receipt.
We're finished.
Okay.
All right. Well, then I'm gonna give a call.
Okay.
And I'm gonna stay right here.
No, you're going to go over to the green chairs, okay?
My mother.
I thought your phone was done.
Let's see what percent. 2%. Okay. Give me for sure.
I know. It's been a long day.
Do you guys... You're finished with her? Do you want her here anymore?
No.
Ma'am, they no longer want you here. They're finished doing business. If you continue to stay here, you're going to go to jail for
Take
trespassing.
me to jail.
You don't want that, trust
Take
me.
me to jail.
You don't want that, trust me. All you have to do is leave their leased space. You can make whatever phone call you need to make over in the green chairs. There's chargers for your phone. You can handle all your business over there. I'm trying to work with you here.
No, yeah, you are the only one that's trying to work for me, and I can appreciate that.
Eddie,
This bitch.
can you do? Oh,
What are you? 65? Sorry that your youth is taking you.
My youth has been fabulous.
Oh no, I mean it's not there anymore.
Is that your bag?
Oh, that is my bag. I thought they were gonna check it for me because I was gonna get on this fucking flight. Both of you, old bitches, old fat bitches.
have a nice day.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm lost.
Me too.
I don't feel as bad.
And that means I must be
All right,
free.
Kathy, go ahead and ask.
D.
Huh?
Where do we go to find D gate?
D as in David?
Yes.
Yeah. So follow the yellow signs. You'll see them down there. So with all the construction and everything like that, it's got everybody all turned around.
Thank
So
you.
Oh, all right, thanks a lot.
Yep, no problem.
Guys, take care.
No, but I meant like Shriver. Yeah, so United told her they were done doing business, so she's been verbally trespassed from United's leased space.
Okay.
So I told her she can come out here and make any phone calls she needs to make to rebook or whatever, but
She needs to stop this.
yeah. Listen, I know you're upset.
Shut up!
I know you're upset. I'm trying to help you.
I don't have anywhere to go.
If you keep yelling and causing a disturbance, we're gonna have to take you. So
Take me to jail. Take me to jail.
you don't want that. Lower your voice.
You don't get it. And you make it hard for me. All you do is like hate on me. You!
204 to any mobile unit, can you come to upper door 2, please? We might be transporting somebody.
All you do is fucking like hate on me. Yeah, see, figure it out. Figure it out. Fuck you. What do?
Do you want us to give you a ride somewhere?
I don't have anywhere to go.
Okay.
I need to get on this fucking flight.
Listen, Ella, I'm trying to help you, okay? But you need to help me so I can help you.
I need to get on this flight. That's all I know where to go
listen,
to.
everybody
I
answer
just
that. I
want to help
didn't hear
you.
So I understand that.
Stop looking at me, bitch.
Stop. Relax.
They keep looking at me.
This is it. If you don't stop, you're done.
Yeah, stop
You
looking at
understand?
me. I fucking shoot you.
Okay. Put your hand behind your back now.
I don't have a gun on me.
Relax.
Can't make threats like that either.
push him?
Well, you can't make threats like that either, so.
That was fake.
204 Central, 1 detained.
Alright. Fat ass motherfucker.
Take her over to door 2.
Look at you.
We got a car coming.
Yeah, look at that. Hot belly.
Move her. We'll grab the stuff.
Grab all my shit.
2, door 2.
Alright, at least I'll be able to top drugs. I'll be able to cop drugs in jail. Because I don't know where to get drugs other way. Oh, first brown people I've seen here. Everybody's all white. I know. It's sexy, right?
It's actually not. It's a lot blacker.
I know. You're ugly ass too. Bald-headed, pale shit.
Look at yourself when you're in jail, and then you can decide. Especially
I'm
tomorrow
not
when you're
trying to be
sober
hot
up.
for you, motherfucker. I think that's all you're trying to see from me. My phone's on the ground.
Yep, we got it.
You're on our time now.
Oh yeah, no, you're getting paid for this. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
I don't see. Okay, is that on my shit?
Are you really that childish?
7 inches, 8 inches.
Oh my gosh.
You got pretty lips too, motherfucker. Pretty lips. Stop, officer.
Alright,
taxi time.
No, he's ugly. I don't fuck with him. You're hot though. Not really. Not really. You're like none of you are that fat.
Grab the seat.
Hand it to me from the other.
Are you gonna buckle me up? Thank you.
You want to just take her right there? She'll probably be disorderly. I'll do the booking sheet.
Okay. Who else is in the car? Who else is in the car?
Nobody. Well, I don't know.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.